Good morning everyone. Welcome to 4th class mathematics. Okay students, let's start our class today. So here is our 4th class textbook. This is the 4th class mathematics textbook. Okay. So everyone should buy this textbook. Okay children. In this textbook our first chapter is large numbers. Unit 1, large numbers. So before going to know large numbers, we have to know something about numbers. So we are using only 10 digits to write any number. We are using 10 digits to write any number. So what are these 10 digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 digits we are using to write any number. So any number contains only digits among these 10. For example, I am writing 7850. So 7 is here, 8 is here, 5 is here, and 0 is here. So without these digits we can't write any number. Okay. So these digits are very important. So numbers are divided into single digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers. Means how many digits contains. See here, single digit numbers means only 1 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers means the numbers which have 2 numbers. 3 digit numbers means the numbers which have 3 digits. 4 digit numbers means the numbers which have 4 digits. Like that, so many numbers are there. We have infinite of numbers. So I am starting from single or 1 digit numbers. Single or 1 digit numbers. So these numbers are starting from 0. These numbers are starting from 0. See here, these 9 digits are these 10 digits are the single digit numbers. Means from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9. The numbers from 0 to 9 are called single digit numbers. Okay. సో మనకి 0 దగ్గర నుంచి 9 వరకు ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా మనము సింగిల్ డిజిట్ ఆర్ 1 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాము. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ మనకు ఉన్నది ఒకటే డిజిట్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై యు కాల్ దీస్ నెంబర్స్ యాజ్ సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్. అండ్ హియర్ ఇన్ ది సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ smallest number is what is the smallest among these 10 digits? Smallest among these 10 digits 0. So smallest number is equal to 0. And largest, what is the largest number among these 10 digits? The largest is 9. Okay, so smallest number is 0 and largest number is 9 in single digit numbers. After single digit numbers, after 9 we have 2 digit numbers. We have 2 digit numbers or double digit numbers, 2 digit numbers. Okay, these numbers are starting from add plus 1 to the largest single digit number. మనకి 2 digit numbers అనేవి ఎలా వస్తాయి అంటే లార్జెస్ట్ సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటే దానికి +1 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. అంటే లార్జెస్ట్ సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి 9. 9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 9 + 1 = 10. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ 2 digit నెంబర్. మనకి 2 digit నెంబర్స్ ఎలా వస్తున్నాయి? లార్జెస్ట్ సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుండి దానికి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తుంటే మనకి 2 digit నెంబర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. So we got a 2 digit number here. This number is called as 10. So మనకి ఈ నెంబర్ ని 10 అంటాము. So this is the first 2 digit number. First and smallest. First ఉందంటే ఏంటి మీనింగ్? అదే స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. First and smallest 2 digit number is 10 and last and largest 2 digit number. What is the largest 2 digit number here? Largest 2 digit number 99. So 2 digit numbers are from 10 to 99. Okay, after 99 we have 100. In 100 we have 3 digits. Okay, so that is the smallest 3 digit number. So if you write about 3-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. Okay, simply take the largest 2-digit number and add +1 to this number. We get the smallest 3-digit number. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 9 equal to 10. So this is the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit numbers in the 3-digit number. Smallest is 100 and largest 3 digits means 3-digit number means we have 3 digits. Those 3 digits are 9s only. Then it becomes the largest 3-digit number. See here, if you observe here, very simply, single digit number, largest single digit number. Single digit number means only one digit we have. That one digit is called 9. 2-digit numbers, largest 2-digit number is 2 digits we have. So those 2 digits are called 9 becomes 99. 3-digit numbers, largest 3-digit number is 999. All 3 digits are 9s. Largest 4-digit number means all 4 digits are 9s, means 9999. Largest 5-digit number is all 5 digits are 9s, so 99999. Like that we have to place all the digits 9s. Make all the digits 9s. Then it becomes the largest any digit number. If you want to take largest single digit number, 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number is 6 digit means we have 6 digits 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make all places 9s. All digit as 9s. Then it becomes the largest 6-digit number. It is called 9,99,999. Okay. So largest smallest 2 digit or smallest 3 digit, how can we get? Simply add before the largest number. Means if you want to 2-digit smallest number, then add +1 to largest single digit number. If you want 3-digit smallest number, add +1 to largest 2-digit number. If you want smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. If you want smallest 4-digit number, simply add +1 to the largest 3-digit number. What is the largest 3-digit number? 999. Add +1 to this number. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 1 is carry here, 1 plus 9 again 10. 1 is carry here, 1 plus 9 10. Okay, 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, if you want to write the largest 4-digit number, simply make 4 digits as 49. Then it becomes the largest 4-digit number 9999. Okay, children. So like that we have to write any digit number, any digit smallest number or any digit largest number. Okay. Okay, children. See here. This is the review exercise in Unit 1 large numbers. Okay. See here. Answer the following questions. First one is which is the largest 1-digit number? So what is the largest single digit number or 1-digit number? Simply place 9 in a single digit number. 1 digit means only we have 1 digit. That 1 digit is called 9. What is the largest 2-digit number? What is the largest 2-digit number? The number have only 2 digits. The 2 digits are make 9s. So it becomes 99. Okay, like that write the largest 3-digit number. So which is the largest of all 4-digit numbers? So largest 4-digit number also write in this column. Okay, so what is the smallest and the largest 5-digit numbers? So smallest here 5-digit number, simply add +1 to the smallest 4-digit number, means 9999 plus 1 equal to how much? 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number and largest is 5-digit number. He is asking for 5-digit number. The number contains only 5 digits. That 5 digits are 5 9s. And it becomes 99,999. Okay. So complete these 3 and 4 questions in your classwork or homework. Next, see second Roman, answer the following questions. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? Here smallest numbers. What is the smallest 2-digit number? First and the smallest is 10. smallest 3-digit number, write smallest 3-digit number, and also name the smallest 4-digit number also. Here these two questions are about smallest numbers. Okay.